With one click of your mouse, you can earn cash. When you search on Google, you can earn it without any program. You can get money immediately after reaching $5. So if you are interested in making money on Google just by clicking links, I'll show you exactly that. I want to go to Google. Google is a search engine and the largest and most visited site in the entire world wide web. No site has been as popular as Google. I'm sure you know hundreds of millions of people visit it every day, and I am pretty sure you use Google on a daily basis too. Now I want to show you something to earn when you try to search. Let's say we are searching for local case or any type of business anywhere in the world. I'll just use local cases as an example. Don't worry, with this strategy you don't need to connect anyone. You don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is click on the links. But before I show you how it's done, let me show you something real quick. Now let's say you want to go and eat at a cafe near you. So you go to Google and search for case in your area. By doing this, Google will show you these results. Chances are you will choose one that you like and want to eat there from the first page. With this, you will not bother to go to the second page and beyond, and this is what happens most of the time. So the case that are on the page and on the 10th page, or even those that are on the second page, do not receive any clicks and lose a lot of income, because every time someone goes to Google local cafes, go ahead and select the following from the first page, and that's why big companies and businesses are willing to pay millions of dollars just to be on the first page of Google to attract more customers in the long run. This involves using a technique known as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. When users search for a term, search engine like Google use SEO to determine how valuable a watch is and what its rating is. For example, if you search for a phrase, click on the site and stay there for a few minutes, Google considers it a good site and ranks it higher. Since Google is the most popular search engine, businesses are willing to pay a lot of be at top of the result. Now let's go to the second stage. I want you to go to Google and type Mozilla Firefox in the search bar. If you don't have this browser on your system, install it, because it is very important for this video, because you must install Mozilla Firefox and use it. Go to Serp Clicks now. The way it works now is that people actually increases their search engine ranking using this platform. As you can see here on their homepage, they increase their SEO ranking by using crowdsourced click traffic. So these guys provide real clickers and real ranking services too. Let's say you are a business owner and you want to invest some of your money in search engines. As long as people are searching for your type of businesses, your businesses will be superior and you will most likely attract more customers. Now what I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under the account sections, make sure you click on Become a Clicker. because that's what we're there to do. We want clicks on links and get some money, and as you can see here, we can earn from 5 to 10 years per click minimum threshold. The payment they offer is about $5, so it's about 50 clicks. That's really great. Then what you need to do is scroll down again until you click on the click here to join network button, and then it will take you to the registration page where you can fill in all the necessary information. This app is free and works anywhere in the world. Now I want you to let me know in the comments which country you are watching this video from. Now here, just enter the email address and create a password for it and enter your PayPal account. A PayPal account is essential because this is where they send you the money you earn from clicking. You need to install CircleX extensions for Mozilla Firefox to earn money easily.